Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to withdraw money from Crypto.com to bank account. So firstly guys, of course you will need to set up your bank account, and the very easy way to do this is you just go to your wallet. So you press those three lines on the top left, crypto wallet, and in here press on buy and choose, for example, Bitcoin. Okay, and in here in the purchase screen, as you can see, you will have pay with, for example, in my case it's Google Pay, and in here you just press on it, and as you can see, add more. Under add more we have debit or credit card, so this is going to be our bank account, and then you just press on set up or just click on it. And in here guys, as you can see, they accept Visa, MasterCard and Maestro. So from here you just fill in your card details, then you'll be issued 0.1 USD authorization hold, and then they will give it to you back. As you can see, it says you won't be charged. And after adding the card, let us go back. In order to withdraw, you just need to go transfer, withdraw, and in here you should be seeing either the tab called Fiat or Cash, depending on the region. You click on it, then you choose the bank account you've just added and withdraw your funds to your card. Enjoy guys. If this helped you, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in some more future crypto tutorials.